Hello everyone, I am Shweta Deshmane. Currently I am studying at IIM Shillong. As many institute forms are out and many students are approaching for SOP writing process, today we are going to discuss that how we can write an SOP. So first of all we will discuss that what should be the structure of SOP writing, and then we will discuss some points in deep, that which are some specific points of SOP writing. So first of all, the structure would include your introduction. So first part would be your introductory part. This would include your personal story and why you want to do an MBA. So next point would be your academic and your professional achievements. So this would include your work experience or any of the internships you have done. Next comes is your long-term goal, that what long-term goal you want to achieve after doing an MBA from an institute. Next you can mention here is your unique traits, that if you have some extracurricular qualities in you, then you can definitely mention these things. Why I am specifically mentioning about extracurricular activities is because many of the B schools are looking for such qualities in the students, because many of the B schools have the inter B school competitions as well, and they want to have an edge over the other B schools. So that's why they are looking for such qualities in their students. So you can definitely mention some of the extracurricular activities if you have in your SOP. Then you can end your SOP with an appropriate closing. So this was the structure of SOP writing. So this structure you can apply to any of the institutes. It might be FMS, MDI, SB Jain or any of the IIMs. Next we will discuss some of the specific points regarding SOP writing. So first we will see that what should be the answer of your why MBA. If you are a fresher, or if you have work cakes, or if you have some of the gap years, then how you should write the why MBA answer. So first we will discuss about the freshers. So about the freshers, they have if they have some best academic background, they can definitely mention this and link this story to their why MBA. Also they can mention their internship period, that if they have learned some of the techniques or some of the new technical skills or interpersonal skill during their internship period, and from that time they got some idea of doing an MBA. So like this story also they can make from their internship period. Another thing is that they can also use AI, like any of the student can use AI for making an SOP. Many tools are there for writing an SOP using AI, like you can use Loom or 2Club or Career Style. uh, these tools give SOP in a very structured and very patterned way, but at the same time they are making a SOP in a very mechanical language, that anybody can catch that you have made an SOP with by using the AI tools. So what I would suggest here is that first you make an SOP using AI. So while making SOP using AI, that the tools which I have mentioned, you can use these tools. Basically in these tools what they ask here is about your personal information, your educational background, your academic achievements, your work experience, what are your long-term goals. You have to give the inputs of these details in 1 or 2 lines to them, and you will make an they will make an SOP for you. But this SOP would be in a very artificial language. So what I would suggest here is that you make a SOP using AI tools, but at the same time you also do research of your own about your own personal journey, and make some points that you can add to the SOP by which you have got using an AI. Don't just submit your SOP from the AI as it is, because you will get caught. Next thing, that another thing I would mention here is about the working professionals who want to do an MBA. So you have many reasons that you can give the reason, like you want to change your career, or you want a career projection in your life, or you want to see some business aspects or different business aspects, that's why you want to do an MBA. So I would give one example here. Suppose you are working in a marketing department, then you can say the things like, I was working in a marketing department and I was dealing with the clients on a very short term course, but now I want to explore the things of the business line as well, and I want to see the financial aspects of the business. So doing MBA from your B school would give me an opportunity to deal with the students from the different backgrounds as well, and this would give me an opportunity to develop the leadership skills in me as well. So you can make a story like this. You can also tell here, like, I have an aim of becoming an entrepreneur. Many of the students have might have the family business as well, and they have an aim of becoming an entrepreneur. Also, many institutes have e-cell in them as a club and committee. So you can make a storyline using these things. So you can tell, like, I have an aim of becoming an entrepreneur. So the e-cell of an institute would help me to achieve this goal of me. I would get an opportunity to meet many of the entrepreneurs and the alums as well through the e-cell, and this would help me to achieve my long-term goal of becoming an entrepreneur. So you can make a storyline like this as well. So basically, in this way you can tell your why MBA answer. Another thing, main thing is that how we can end our SOP. So your ending your SOP is very important, because this should show that you are very passionate and enthusiastic for joining that institute. So this also you can link to your long-term goal, that how this institute would help you to achieve that long-term goal. So this was all about SOP writing process. So I wish you all the very best and good luck for your upcoming exams. Bye bye.